everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do a packaging. This is what the big gift that I got on for my husband. He did get a new iPhone 12 Pro, so I wanted to get him something to kind of go with it. So there's 3 different things in here. So, got some of the paper. Alright, so we have the, well, let's just go with this. We have the Apple Series 7 blue aluminum 21 inch or 21 millimeter watch. Also got him some screen protectors to go with the watch and a little case to go with it as well, and the case is blue as well. So let's take this away. I'm going to open this up, make sure everything is like it's supposed to be and that kind of thing. So here is the watch band. He probably will not use this one. Probably grab the one off of his other one until we get him a watch band. Oh. Well, it's wrapped up, so I may not be able to unbox it. Let's see. Yeah, I can't unbox it. It's not going to let me. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff on it, so I am going to go ahead and unbox it for him. So there's that. I'll go ahead and I'll pull this apart. So we got the instructions. We have the a new one of those. I actually have a series, I think it's 5 that I have, that he bought me. I just wanted to see what the blue looked like too. Whoa. So it turned on. So this is what the blue one looks like. And I'll just have to put the screen protector and the case on it for him. I didn't even think about maybe getting him another watch band. I didn't even think about that when I bought it. And now it's a am I supposed to do this? Oh, I'm supposed to put that on the back. Okay, so it says to turn it off and place it downward. Alright, so there's that. Here's the installation kit, it says. Squeegee, the microfiber, all of that good stuff is in here. So we got the absorbers. So there we go. It really didn't have anything on it. That's okay. So trash. Just gonna put it in the box. Back in the box is trash. So sorry, y'all are watching me put a screen protector on. That's probably really weird. But I just want to see if the quality and everything is up to par with the screen protector on it and that kind of thing. So I'm recording this as well, and to show my husband that the screen protector is already on and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna wipe it with this microfiber towel. Okay, so let me go ahead and this off. Okay. Oh crap. This is not gonna work. This one will not work. I got a 45. I needed a 41. That's what happened. So this will be sent back. This case. So that'll be sent back. And then let's open up let's not open up the Watchman. Thanks for watching. Bye, you guys. And after the screen protector, this is what it looks like. Bye, guys.